already.
Yeah, there's fucking groups there. Fuck that. We're going back to. Fuck that.
Oh shit!
I learned
I
my
think they
lesson too
killed
many
each
times.
other.
Nah, they didn't kill it. Oh, we gotta go back. Let's loot this.
Alright.
Hopefully nobody's here. Doors are closed.
Boom, med kit. Gotta be good.
Yeah, nice. I got, yeah, I got a first aid kit over here.
I dropped a flash hider and car loops, man. I had to make space. I don't know if you want to pick them up and hold on to them. How many consumables you have? I have 9 energy drinks.
I have 4. 2 painkillers, 2 energies.
Here, I'm gonna drop like 3 energies, dude. Over here.
Alright. Oh. Get this bike ready. I'm going to the barn real quick. Hopefully, camping it right now. Vector. Red dot. That's it. But I attached the 4X and everything, like ready to shoot, and then
I shot
once
at
I
one
got
of the
shot
groups
at-
that wasn't looking at us.
I
But
got fucking shot at, bro, and I was like, I'm fucking gone. Fuck that.
go get this shit.
What?
The energy center right there.
I got it.
That's
What'd
it.
you drop? You say you dropped
The
something
flash
else?
hider and the car loops. I can't. I got no room just in case you find a sniper if we kill someone.
Oh.
You want to go up here?
Oh
here?
man, let's see if I. You got 5 You need 5.56?
Sure.
Hmm.
Fuck. What can I drop? Guess my fucking bandages. Not enough. Oh. Fuck it. Not enough? It's fine. Alright. Where you wanna go?
We'll head up to the circle. Lakeside.
Okay.
So we'll be at the edge, like over here or something. We looted these?
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah.
Like that mountain there on the right? Is that gonna be in? Yeah, let's do that mountain there on the right. All the way back. You see it? 240, you wanna do that one? It's gonna be in, right?
Ah. This one is.
Oh, somebody's there at the shed. Fuck! Holy shit, they're dead.
Woo!
Good thing I saw the fucking fuckboy shit.
I had a single fire. Ooh, suppressor SR. What do they have? Car. Ooh, I'm taking the car.
Go for it.
Level 3 helmet. You could take that. Put the 4X on this. Put the
You
suppressor
got a
on
flash hider
this.
already?
Yeah. Well, he got suppressor.
Oh, okay, extend the mag here. Do you want it?
Oops.
I could drop it for
Yeah.
you. Okay.
Yeah, I need an extended mag.
Go ahead and drop it in here. That's it, man. That's all I could. Those guys got fucked, bro.
Oh.
Can't even take those first aids. Oh,
I
took
could take
'em,
them.
I took 'em. How many you have? I got 7 though. I could drop some for you. How many you have?
I got 6. You good? You good? What I really want is this 5.56. Drop
They're
these
over this shit
bandages.
right here.
This shit you saw him. Where's the bike at?
That
jumped off the
motherfucking bike flew, bro. I gotta record that.
I mean, they would have been fucked right now in blue, but they would have been landing at the edge.
Yep. They still got room right there at the very edge. Closing in. Oh, vehicle straight ahead in front of us. 345. They just stopped. I don't see them anymore though. You see the bike? Like 345. They're probably running to that shed.
Oh,
So
we
nobody's behind us anymore.
we have to run to that fucking compound. Are you serious?
Don't even have a bike anymore, huh?
No, it's out there.
I'm gonna double up. I run this fucking blue and shit. Those guys are in the tree, man. We gotta take those fucking guys out. Now, like right now. They're somewhere in that fucking field. Oh yeah, by the shed, by the shed. Knocked him.
Okay, you got perfect.
I
I
killed
don't
him.
see them.
He's got one more. You gotta come out this way. I don't know where the other one's at. The other one's not in the shed though. You gotta start moving. They were shooting at someone this way though.
Yeah.
Yup, straight ahead. Fuck. Got sniped. That's probably the guy that I killed, boy. Yup, he's at that rock. Let's see.
I'm getting shot at.
I shot the guy at the rock like twice. He was the one shooting you, I think. Now it's coming from the right side somewhere. You good?
Oh my god, I got sniped.
See if you could crawl to me. Yeah, he's up there somewhere. Where's he at? You in? Not yet, right?
Yeah, I'm in circle.
I'm gonna wait for you to get a little closer.
But where these guys are at, I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't know either. So I'm gonna wait a little bit for you to get closer. I think they're waiting for me to come out and shit.
Have health.
Alright, I got you.
Watching you.
We're in the next one.
Yeah.
I'll watch his left side.
I'm watching up the bridge.
Ooh. That's in the compound. Yeah, they're fighting each other. Let them fight it out. So they're in the right on the field somewhere. I'm gonna see if I could buzz wide here. I'll catch him.
Yeah,
I see him. Behind the red house. Dead. So there's a few in the house too.
for sure.
There's probably the two guys left in one of these houses. Let's wait it out here.
Alright.
Maybe it'll push them out. I'll watch this left side.
Watching right where the red is.
I'm watching these yellow houses, the left side of them. Because they're in the houses.
That's me throwing a grenade.
Okay. I see him. One's on the left side. Here.
Your side?
Yeah. I lost him. But he's here by the gate in front of me. I see him. He's coming up. Fuck yeah!
Shit.
Good shit.
Yeah.
I got them both. How many kills you get?
1.
7. Come on, Pete. Damn, I
One,
got him with
had
my
that
last bullet, dude.
Dude, I was like, where the fuck he at? And I hear